How to insert an Excel sheet into Microsoft Word. So I have this Microsoft Word document here and I want to insert this simple Excel sheet here into it. Now let's open up the Microsoft Word, choose the location where you want to insert the Excel sheet, so I'll say around here, then come up to Insert, then select Object, then Object again. Now you want to select Create from File from this pop-up. We want to browse for the file. Mine's on the desktop, so we'll navigate to the file, the Excel file, select it, then press Insert. Now we want to press OK. And it'll just take a few seconds, and there you go. You've inserted an Excel sheet into Word. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.